Good morning, Mr. Thomas. Thank you for joining the call today.
Morning, Anna. We have a serious problem. This is the third time we've received defective boards from your factory. My production line had to stop for 2 hours. We can't keep going like this.
I completely understand your frustration, Mr. Thomas. I sincerely apologize for the disruption this has caused your operations. Could you please provide more information about the defect?
The solder pads are misaligned. Batch 4102A. Nearly 40% of the boards had issues. This is unacceptable.
Thank you for the details. I'll escalate this to our internal quality control team immediately. We'll start a root cause investigation right away. I'll keep you updated every step of the way.
I need more than just updates, Anna. I need this fixed. If this continues, we'll be forced to consider other suppliers.
Understood. Our goal is to resolve this quickly and thoroughly. I'll contact you in 24 hours with our initial findings.
Make sure you do. And this time, I want a real corrective action, not just apologies.
Absolutely, Mr. Thomas. I'll be in touch soon. Mr. Thomas, we've investigated the issue. It appears the solder paste machine had calibration issues, and a newly trained operator didn't escalate the irregularity during production.
So it was both equipment and human error?
Yes. We've isolated the problem and taken immediate steps to correct it. The faulty batch has been quarantined. I'll share our CAPA plan shortly.
I hope it includes preventive measures. I don't want this to happen again.
Definitely. We've recalibrated the machine, retrained the operator, and added a double inspection step for that line. Also, we've updated our SOP to mandate escalation for all anomalies.
Good start. What are you doing about the defective boards?
We're preparing a replacement batch for expedited delivery and will issue a partial refund for the defective units. We can also schedule a virtual audit if you'd like.
Yes, let's do a virtual audit next week. I want to see your process improvements.
Consider it done. Thank you for your continued partnership.
The new batch looks good. Quality is consistent. Thanks for your effort on this.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. We value your feedback and are committed to ongoing quality improvements. Let's set up monthly check-ins to ensure continued success.
That sounds good. I appreciate your professionalism this time.
And we appreciate your trust. Talk soon.